this is Richard from Alibaba Cloud. I will introduce you a cloud-native AIOps solution based on log service. Today, we found there are 4 trends of the IT industry in business digitalization. First, and the most important, is user experience. It becomes a key ability for the IT operation team. According to the research, a 1-second delay in page load time will lose 7% users in conversions. Secondly, the innovation is accelerating. About 55% of applications are released on a weekly basis. Thirdly, the IT infrastructures are continuously innovated into cloud-native architecture. Finally, the amounts, types, and diversities of IT operation data has a tremendous growth. With these opportunities, IT operation and management is also facing big challenges. Data silos is the biggest one. Log, metric, trace data are located in different systems. It's difficult to combine and analyze them together. Companies built many monitoring tools to manage their business systems. 72% of enterprises use up to 9 disparate monitoring tools. With these monitoring tools, the alert noise becomes a disaster for IT operation team. 60% of enterprises receive more than 50,000 alert notifications every month. In addition, for enterprises, it's hard to make sufficient preventive measures to identify these issues before they impact the users. So, a modern analysis platform is necessary in business digitalization. It will help enterprises in the following parts. The first one is data integration. It can collect and analyze data from end to end. Different types of data need to be standardized and transform raw data to valuable data. Alert noise reduction is also an important ability to AIOps platform. It allows users to aggregate alerts by rules or algorithms. Finally, the system can also automatically detect exceptions, identify and analyze root cause. Alibaba Cloud native AIOps solution is based on log service. It's an all-in-one observability powered by the artificial intelligence platform. In this solution, observable data need to be unified access into one storage. It can store all observable data in one platform, so that all data can be processed in one ETL program, and use circle language to real-time analyze your business. AIOps engine will help you detect and predict issues before it becomes to a big problem. Users can use dashboard to analyze their business and get alerts when abnormal detected. All data in this platform can be shipped or consumed to a third-party system. The platform allows various teams work together to do the IT operation management, like DevOps, monitoring, experience analysis, or even security teams. To summarize, the AIOps solution based on log service have the following 4 features: unified access, AIOps platform, extreme performance in intelligent analysis, and open to third-party system. Here is an e-commerce customer story. They had a big challenge in the beginning. The performance of their e-commerce system was not satisfied to their users. Even they have built many monitoring tools, it's also difficult for them to find out the root cause when an issue happened. With log service, they centralized to aggregate all data together. They created many situations to real-time monitor their systems and user experience. They also use artificial intelligence to reduce alert noise. With trace analysis, it can identify and solve problems efficiently. For their IT team, They can centralize and manage all IT operation and management data in one platform. Their mean time to repair decreased from 4 hours to about 30 minutes. The most important benefit for them is their customer satisfaction rate increased from less than 80% to over 95%. It's a big improvement for them to support business so successfully.